Have you ever stopped to wonder where the concept of digital currencies originated? It's a question that takes us back to the year 2009, a year that marked the dawn of an entirely new era in the world of finance. Our story begins with the emergence of a novel form of currency, one that was purely digital and completely decentralized. This was Bitcoin, the first of its kind, and the catalyst that would spark a global revolution in the way we perceive and use money. The creation of Bitcoin was motivated by a desire for a decentralized and anonymous method of transferring wealth. You see, prior to Bitcoin, the control and transfer of money were largely in the hands of centralized institutions like banks and governments. But Bitcoin sought to change all that. It was designed to operate on a peer-to-peer network, bypassing the need for any central authority. The brain behind this revolutionary concept was a person, or perhaps a group of people, known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2008, Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This groundbreaking document laid out the theoretical framework for a decentralized digital currency, one that could facilitate direct transactions between parties without the need for a trusted third-party intermediary. Nakamoto's white paper was the spark that ignited the flame of the digital currency revolution. It was the blueprint for a new kind of money, one that was not bound by borders or controlled by central banks. It was a form of currency that was truly for the people, by the people. And so, with the creation of Bitcoin, the world was introduced to the concept of digital currencies. It was a humble beginning, but one that would have far-reaching implications. From this humble beginning, a new era of finance was born, setting the stage for a revolution in how we perceive and use money. But Bitcoin was just the beginning, wasn't it? As the first digital currency, Bitcoin set the stage for a proliferation of alternative cryptocurrencies, commonly known as altcoins. These are not just mere replicas of Bitcoin, but have evolved to offer unique features and capabilities, setting them apart in the ever-diversifying landscape of digital currencies. Let's consider Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum goes beyond being a digital currency. It's a platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. It introduced a new layer of functionality to the blockchain, making it more than just a ledger for transactions. Then we have Ripple, which has made a name for itself by focusing on international transactions. Its primary goal is to act as a bridge currency to other currencies in order to facilitate faster, cheaper international money transfers. Unlike Bitcoin, which is decentralized and mined by users worldwide, Ripple's XRP tokens are issued by the company itself, offering a more centralized approach to digital currency. Litecoin, another significant altcoin, was developed with an aim to improve upon Bitcoin's limitations. It offers faster transaction confirmation times and a different hashing algorithm. It's often considered as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, acting as a more practical and everyday cryptocurrency for transactions. At the heart of these digital currencies lies blockchain technology. This is a decentralized ledger of all transactions that occur across a peer-to-peer network. It's the foundation that allows digital currencies to operate in a decentralized manner, free from control by any central authority. It's the innovation that makes these digital currencies secure, transparent, and resistant to fraud. These altcoins have brought about a wave of innovation in the digital currency space. They've introduced new features, tackled different use cases, and in some cases offered different philosophies on how a digital currency should operate. This diversification has led to a rich and varied landscape of digital currencies, each with its own unique value proposition. Indeed, the rise of altcoins is a testament to the adaptability and potential of blockchain technology, paving the way for a future where digital currencies could become a part of our everyday life. So we've seen how far we've come, but where are we heading? The future of digital currencies is not written in stone, but the trend lines are becoming clearer. We're seeing an upward trajectory, with digital currencies gaining increasing acceptance as a legitimate form of payment. From the corner coffee shop to multinational corporations, businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrencies. They're drawn by the advantages of instant transactions, lower fees, and the potential to reach a global customer base. But it's not just the private sector that's getting involved. Governments around the world are exploring the idea of state-backed digital currencies. China has already started testing its digital yuan, while other countries, including the United States, are considering their own versions. These digital currencies could provide a more secure, traceable form of money that reduces fraud and counterfeiting. The future also holds tremendous potential in the form of new technologies. One such innovation is smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. They eliminate the need for a middleman, making transactions quicker, cheaper, and more efficient. Then, there's the emerging field of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. This uses blockchain technology to create financial systems that are open to everyone and controlled by no one. It's a revolutionary idea that could democratize access to financial services, providing opportunities for people who are currently unbanked or underbanked. However, it's important to remember that the future of digital currencies isn't guaranteed. There are still many challenges to overcome, including regulatory hurdles, technical obstacles, and issues of public acceptance. But one thing is certain, the potential is there for digital currencies to fundamentally transform the way we think about and use money. The future of digital currencies seems filled with endless possibilities, promising to redefine our understanding of money once again. But it's not all roses, is it? There are risks and challenges ahead. When we delve into the world of digital currencies, we find ourselves navigating a landscape that is as exciting as it is daunting. The first risk that comes to mind is the notorious price volatility. Digital currencies, in their relatively short existence, have shown a tendency for dramatic price swings, sometimes within a matter of hours. This roller coaster ride can be a boon for savvy traders, but a nightmare for the unprepared. Then there are the security concerns. As digital assets, cryptocurrencies are susceptible to cyber attacks. Despite the robust cryptographic techniques employed, instances of hacking and theft have not been uncommon. This risk is further compounded by the fact that, unlike traditional banking systems which have measures in place to reimburse customers in case of fraud, there is no such safety net in the world of digital currencies. Another major challenge is regulatory scrutiny. As digital currencies continue to gain momentum, they are coming under the watchful eyes of government bodies worldwide. Regulatory issues pose a significant hurdle, with some countries embracing these currencies, while others impose bans or severe restrictions. This regulatory uncertainty can lead to market instability and hinder the growth of digital currencies. The path to widespread adoption of digital currencies is also strewn with obstacles. For one, there's the need for improved infrastructure. From more secure wallets to more robust exchange platforms, the infrastructure supporting digital currencies needs to keep pace with their growth. Additionally, there's a pressing need for greater public understanding. For digital currencies to truly take off, they need to be understood, trusted, and used by the masses, not just a niche group of enthusiasts. But despite these risks and challenges, it's important to remember that every new technology faces hurdles in its early stages. The internet, for instance, was once criticized for its potential for misuse, but today, it's an integral part of our lives. While the path ahead may be fraught with challenges, the potential benefits of digital currencies cannot be overlooked. So, what have we learned about the world of digital currencies? We've journeyed from the dawn of digital currencies, where we saw the birth of this revolutionary concept with the introduction of Bitcoin. An idea that started in the cryptic realms of the internet, Bitcoin's creation ignited the spark that has grown into a roaring fire. It was a bold step into uncharted territories, a step that has since paved the way for a new era of financial transactions. From there, we delved into the rise of altcoins. Altcoins, or alternative coins, emerged in the wake of Bitcoin's success, each with their unique features and propositions. Some, like Ethereum, brought forward the concept of smart contracts. Others, like Litecoin, offered faster transaction times. These altcoins have not only expanded the digital currency landscape, but have also spurred innovation and competition within it. Next, we ventured into the future of digital currencies. It's a future that is as exciting as it is uncertain. Will Bitcoin continue to reign supreme, or will another altcoin take the throne? Will digital currencies finally break into the mainstream, or will they remain a niche market? The answers to these questions are yet to be determined. But what we do know is that this field is rapidly evolving, and it's worth keeping an eye on. And of course, we cannot ignore the risks and challenges. The volatility of digital currencies, the regulatory uncertainties, and the potential for misuse are all significant concerns. It's essential to approach this world with a clear understanding of these risks and to make informed decisions. As we navigate this brave new world of digital finance, one thing is certain: digital currencies are here to stay. How they will shape our future is a story that's still being written. So, let's continue to learn, to explore, and to be part of this fascinating journey. As we navigate this brave new world of digital finance, one thing is certain: digital currencies are here to stay. How they will shape our future is a story that's still being